I think veterans often go it alone, right? They do feel like they don't have any other options. So definitely, I want you to know that you're not alone out there.
September is Suicide Prevention Awareness Month, and veterans are among the highest groups in our country who contemplate suicide. Moises Loza Cruz is the Associate Director of Clinical Operations at the Stephen A. Cohen Veterans Network in Lakewood.
They feel like it's their only option left. Lots of times especially when we get them in here to talk and do therapy, it's not necessarily that they want to die, it's that they find that they feel this is the best option left and they want to get out of this very unbearable situation that they're in.
There are a lot of signs that someone may be thinking of ending their life, and part of suicide awareness is knowing when something is wrong.
First, trust your gut. If your loved one is just behaving in a way that is different than typical, to ask the question, ask how they're doing. And some of those signs are things like, are they drinking or using substances more than usual? Are they engaging in reckless behavior? Maybe they're driving at higher speeds or with a little more carelessness. Are they talking about death, researching or planning things related to ending their own life, giving away belongings, or mood presentations like just extreme sadness?
Nicole Ayers is the director of the Cohen Military Family Clinic, and she says talking about suicide is one of the best ways to prevent it.
And then I would encourage everybody, whether they're part of our military community or part of the community at large, to talk about it, right? One of the most important things we can do to address the stigma is to not be afraid of talking about it, asking people about suicide, having conversations about how they are accessing means, and not being afraid to have those conversations because it really, really, truly can save a life.
Ayers says the organization has many ways to help those veterans who may be thinking about harming themselves.
We have a really great website that's been put together by our organization at cohensveterannetwork.org/suicide prevention that is interactive and gives you some tools for how to respond and ask questions related to suicide. So when you are feeling uncomfortable asking those questions, we can give you some tools that you can use to talk to your loved ones and your friends.
And while there's life-saving conversations and clinical tools that help, it's important for veterans who may be contemplating suicide to keep in mind that they're never alone.
For me, it's about ensuring that veterans know that we're here for them, that we care for them, and that there are people out there that want to help.